How to sell on Joyabuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to sell on Joyabuy. So first you have to create an account. Start by registering as a seller on the Joyabuy platform. Visit their website and look for the Sell on Joyabuy section to sign up. You will need to provide basic information such as your business name, email, and contact details. Number two, set up your store. Once your account is active, you can create your store, add information such as the store name, logo, and a brief description of what you offer. This helps potential buyers understand your brand and products. Number three, list your products. To list products, you need to upload product details, including titles, descriptions, pricing, and high quality images. Ensure descriptions are clear and highlight key features to attract buyers. Number four, manage inventory. After listing products, you need to keep track of your inventory. Make sure stock levels are updated regularly to avoid overselling items that are out of stock. Number five, set up payment and shipping. Choose how you will accept payments, typically through Joyabuy's integrated payment system. Set their shipping policies, including fees, delivery times, and regions you can ship to. Now promote your products. Use available marketing tools or promotions on Joyabuy to attract customers. This may include discounts, advertising, or showcasing your products through featured listing. Number seven, monitor orders and customer feedback. And number eight, comply with policies. For more specific instruction and details on fees, payment methods, and other platform rules, it's best to consult Joyabuy's seller support or FAQ section directly on their website. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.